Hi, my name is Amir.
Hi, my name is John Devine Babb.
And today we're doing fireworks. What will happen if you mix food coloring and water and oil together?
I think the food coloring, oil, and water will mix together.
First, we add the oil into the water. Then you add 5 drops of food coloring at once.
First, we're going to use the red. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to use the blue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are using yellow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to mix it all together and see what happens. And see if our prediction was right. Our prediction was right. It did all mix together.
We are right. So now we say thank you for watching our video.
And it turned light, dark, really, really dark.